Hello and welcome to Daily Football and welcome back to the channel, guys. You are watching Football Daily and here are the top stories from the football world. Former Barcelona chief names list of players Catalan failed to sign over the years. Lyon want Griezmann in exchange for Depay. Barcelona target Milan as Depay alternative. Manchester City considered Isco swap. Piqué has clause 3 Barca in his contract. Liverpool ready to make Mbappe bid. Arsenal still want Aouar. Manchester United's fail Upamecano bid. Juventus want to extend Dybala bid. Former Barcelona chief Araiza Prida shed light on the club's transfer failing over the years. The Catalans reportedly failed to sign Paul Pogba and Erling Haaland among other talented players. Manchester United star Paul Pogba has continued to make the headlines in recent weeks, with the French midfielder being linked with a move to La Liga giants Real Madrid. However, reports have emerged that the former Juventus star could have sealed a move to Barcelona before completing a world record move to Manchester United in the summer of 2016. Former Barcelona advisor Araiza Prida shed light on Barcelona's pursuit of the Frenchman and revealed that the Catalans even flew to Milan to meet the Juventus board. Speaking to Goal, Prida admitted that he recommended the player to Barcelona before he returned to Manchester United a year later. It's not a lie. It's true that Albert Soler and I went to Milan and met with Juventus board, but despite the talks, there was no real intention to sign him. In fact, Pogba ended up staying that summer in the Turan and did not go to another club. I said he was a great player. I was talking about it with Albert Soler, with whom I considered that he had a good personal relationship. But again, professionally, we could not work together because I was not allowed. Aside from Paul Pogba, Breda also revealed that he recommended the likes of Erling Haaland, Nicole Barilla, Zaniola to Barcelona. However, the Catalans giant failed to sign only of those players, with Breda being fired from his post in 2019. He said, "They did not give me the responsibility, they put others in charge of this work. I was studying players and I wrote down some names like Haaland from Borussia Dortmund when he was still playing for Rosenborg. But at the club, they told me no, that he did not have the Barca profile. From Italy, I also suggested other names such as Barella, who is now at Inter, Zaniola from Roma. But if you do not have the responsibility to execute this because it has been given to others, you cannot do anything. I was separated." Barcelona have been slated for their transfer dealings over the years, with the club slashing big money on players who have failed to live up to hype. After Felipe Coutinho and Ousmane Dembele, Antoine Griezmann seems to be heading in the same direction, as the Frenchman continues to struggle at the Camp Nou after signing a move from Atletico Madrid in 2019. Lyon want Griezmann in exchange for Depay. Women ready to let French star leave Camp Nou in January. Lyon hope to sign Antoine Griezmann from Barcelona in January. Barca are expected to return for Lyon star Memphis Depay in January after their bid to sign him in the summer transfer window collapsed. France star Griezmann has not been able to win a place in the Catalan side starting 11, and the club are open to letting him go. Lyon will be desperate to find a suitable replacement for Depay and believe they can talk Barca into a swap deal. Barca target Milan as Depay alternative. Barca will make a move for Daniel Milan should they fail to sign Memphis Depay in January, according to Mundo Deportivo. The 21-year-old forward has impressed at PSV and was given his Netherlands debut by current Barca boss Ronald Koeman. While the Catalan side have made Lyon star Depay a top priority in the next transfer window, they are looking for a backup option and believe Milan could be a smart signing. Manchester City consider Isco swap. Manchester City are considering a swap for Real Madrid midfielder Isco. The Blancos are planning to put the Spanish playmaker on the market in the January after his public criticism of head coach Zinedine Zidane. Pep Guardiola has long been an admirer of Isco, who could be available for around £40 million when the transfer window reopens. Piqué has clause 3 Barca in his contract. That Piqué inserted a clause into his new Barcelona contract that allows him to leave if he wishes, but not to a top European rival. According to Spanish publication Sport, the central defender's new deal, which expires in 2024, allows him to join an MLS club or retire, but not sign with a big European team. Liverpool ready to make Mbappe bid. Liverpool are gearing up to make a bid for Kylian Mbappe next summer should he fail to agree a contract extension at PSG. The Reds and Real Madrid are both tipped to be leading the race for the 21-year-old signature. Mbappe has not ruled out extending his stay at PSG, but is also reportedly open to an exit. Arsenal still want Aouar. Arsenal's summer pursuit of Houssem Aouar ended in a disappointment after the playmaker decided to stay at Lyon, but Mikel Arteta is ready to test the water again. According to Calcio Mercato, Arsenal and PSG are both looking into a possible move in January. So Juventus are favored to sign the France international in the winter transfer window, and the lure of the Champions League football could play a part in awards interest. Manchester United's failed Upamecano bid. Sun have some information that is likely to make Manchester United fans wince. They report that a deal to take a highly rated defender Dayot Upamecano to Old Trafford from Valenciennes in 2017 had looked set to happen, only for it to collapse over a 200,000 difference of opinion with regards to the fee. He said that United wanted to pay a maximum of 500,000 pounds for the Frenchman, whose clubs were looking for 700,000 pounds. Upamecano later joined Red Bull Salzburg and then RB Leipzig, where he has established a reputation as one of the best defenders in Europe and has again attracted interest from United, but this time at a much higher price. Juventus want to extend Dybala deal. Paulo Dybala futures has been the subject of much speculations, but it appears that Juventus want him to stay. Fabrizio Romano quotes Juventus director Fabio Paratici as telling Sky, "We are in talks to extend Paulo Dybala's contract. He wants to stay and we want to keep him. He is part of our future. We will continue the negotiations to find an agreement."